Hello, this is Bharath thippireddy. I'm a software architect and best-selling instructor with close to 1 million students across 200 countries on Udemy. If you want a clear path to become a Java developer from the basics to DevOps tools and GenAI, then watch this. We start with my Core Java Made Easy course, strong fundamentals and no shortcuts. You will then understand the backend basics from my JDBC, Servlets and JSP course. Spring Boot is what is used to build real-time applications. You'll master the fundamentals and learn how to create real-time projects as well. You will learn how to write unit tests in my JUnit and Mockito course. Build your projects either by using Maven or Gradle. From my DevOps tools course, you will learn tools like Git, Docker, Kubernetes, and build CI/CD pipelines using Jenkins. You will learn how to build applications faster in my GitHub Copilot for Java and Spring Boot developers course. Spring AI allows you to create LLM-based applications using both open source as well as commercial LLMs. From the basics of GenAI to RAG, I have it all covered. Join now and master Java from fundamentals all the way to building GenAI applications.